Hi there, I'm Sarah McSorley and I'm here to talk to you about the Super Cool Scientist project. Super Cool Scientist is about science, it's about art, and it's about all of you. So all of us have a story, and chances are there's a nugget of science in each one of our stories. You know, little kids are all scientists because they are curious about the world and they ask why. Super Cool Scientist is a story and coloring book celebrating women who are currently doing really cool work in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Women and people of color are sorely underrepresented in the STEM fields. So by sort of changing the narrative and highlighting their stories, you're helping to recognize the people doing this really cool work and also hopefully inspiring the next generation of folks to know that science is really for everybody. A coloring book was a fun format to approach this project because it really made the science content a little bit more approachable and non-intimidating, and it also made talking about the scientists as people, it helped make them a little bit more relatable. So the full page bios talk about the work that they do, but also their families and what they like to do for fun. And then there's also the full page illustration that goes along with that highlights them in their element, whether that be in the work that they do in the laboratory or in the field, or that they do doing their outreach work or their travel for their projects. Thanks to our first successful Kickstarter campaign, this original Super Cool Scientist book was published in January of this year, and we've distributed over 1,000 copies to people all over the world, and we've gotten pretty amazing feedback. We get 5-star reviews on Amazon from parents who really enjoy the experience them and their children have together. We also get a lot of shared coloring pages from our readers too. It really lets me see that the book is doing what I wanted it to, which is really having young people be able to envision themselves in these types of careers.
Hi guys, my name is Shia, and I'm really luck. Before this book came out, we tested out these scribble drawings. It was fun, not only coloring with people, but learning about them too. A lot of amazing women are in this book. We hope that you buy this book. Don't take our word for it. Bye!
So illustrator Yvonne Page and I are at it again. We're going to do a volume 2 of Super Cool Scientists, and that's what this video is really all about. We have a dozen different scientists on board already. Their work ranges from climate science to veterinary research to software engineering. They lead companies, they've authored a lot of different books, and they really get to mentor a lot of young people. Plus you get to learn a little bit about what they do outside of work too. And I can't wait to share their stories with you. Keep being curious and stay super cool.